here's a trick on how to use whom in English. So whenever you're in doubt, should I use who, should I use whom, how do I tell the difference? Try doing this. Reformulate the sentence using he, him, she, her, they, them. If you use he, she, they, then it's who. But if you use him, her, them, then it's whom. It's the same exact process. For example, that's the boy who called me yesterday. He called me, not him. He called me, right? So it's who. But that's the boy whom I saw yesterday because I saw him, not he. I saw him, right? So it's whom. Also, after a preposition, we should always use whom. To whom, with whom, for whom. Because if you think about it, we don't say to she, we say to her. We don't say with they, we say with them. So it's whom. My teacher, for whom I'm doing some research, is currently unavailable. I'm doing some research for her. Okay, but I'm pretty sure you've heard native speakers use who when they should use whom. This happens all the time. Why is that? Well, that's because whom is mainly used in formal settings and written texts, so you won't hear it as much in everyday conversations. Usually people will tend to use who regardless. For example, you will rarely hear someone say, "To whom are you talking?" You will hear, "Who are you talking to?" However, after a preposition, you should use whom even if it's a normal everyday conversation. It's preferable. For example, I'm going out. With whom? With my friend.